Hi guys, so today we're going to do our speed notes. So at the top of your page you're going to write speed, and of course my marker is going out. Why would we start a video without it? Speed notes. Alright, so we're going to go over the key things that we need for speed. So first, we're going to talk about how speed works. So for speed, you need the distance over time. Okay? Now, so speed, I'm going to get this closer for you. There we go. That's a little better. And then just time under distance. Okay? So, the reason we put this in this triangle, this magic, wonderful little triangle, is because now you not only have the formula for speed, you cover the S, it's distance over time. You have the formula for time, which is distance over speed. So time equals distance. Wow, I wish I could spell. There we go. Equals distance over speed. And when you cover the top part up, so you're looking for distance, it's speed times time. Speed times time. Okay? So, if you're looking for speed, it's distance over time. If you're looking for time, it's distance over speed. If you're looking for distance, it's speed times time. So, it would look something like this. Okay? So, once you're done writing that, underneath there, we're going to talk about motion. Okay? So, motion is a change in position relative to an assumed reference point. Okay? Now, you obviously don't have to do them on my little fancy little boxes. They're not that fancy, but you do not have to do this. I just prefer to do them so that I can keep my notes organized. This is how I keep my notes organized. Now, there's a word in here that we need to talk about. Okay? A reference point. Okay? It's a starting point. Okay? This is always your 0. So it may not be 0, but if it says your reference point, that's where you're going to start from, right? Now, we do need to talk about speed versus velocity. Speed versus velocity. It's really easy, actually. Speed is just the distance you went over the amount of time. And velocity is the distance, or really it's displacement, over the amount of time with direction. Ooh, can't see. With the direction. Okay? So it's super important that you understand that that is also important, right? So there are a couple other things that we need to talk about. And we will talk about those. So when they ask for average speed, all you're going to do, still the same thing, and on your star it's going to ask you this, and it's going to say total distance over total time. Okay? That's the important part. Okay, so those are the key things for speed, okay, and motion. Those are really important for you to remember. Remember that velocity is speed with a direction. It's really all it is. It's displacement over time, whereas distance is, or speed is distance over time. So the displacement, the reason it's displacement is displacement has a direction, right? Otherwise, it's just distance with a direction, all right? If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. We want to help you.